Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm talking about top 5 repops of Among Us. So let's start it. So on our first list there is Werewolf Among Us. It is a clone game of Among Us and it is developed on China. It is one of the famous game of China and it is played over 100 million pupils and it is played over the time and the Among Us rating is very closely to it and it is played on the Google Play Store by China Play and it is one of the most famous. And here you can do many things like Among Us, and here you can do many custom things developed by the Chinese men, and here they are the ghosts are the crewmate and can go and find crystals to begin their journey to win. On our second number there is Among With Us. It is not that famous game but it is made by a Chinese company, and here you can see that there is not that much good, but here you can do voting and many things like Among Us. So let's moving to our next one. On our third number there is Among Us 3D. This clone is developed by YouTuber Danny and it is one of the famous game of repops of Among Us. It is mainly played by the famous YouTuber Mr. Beast with their friends. You can see in the live stream by clicking the link down below. It is one of the famous repops of the Among Us, but we cannot play with it because Danny cannot share his room, but I know if anybody wants interest then they can contact Danny for any type of information. So moving to our next number. On our fourth number there is Murderers. It is also one of the clone which is available on Play Store. You can check it once and it is one of the famous clone. Everybody is trying to playing and it is created by 10 Plate Studios. It is also played over 100 million and everybody is playing this game. It is recently famous about this game and you can do many stuffs like many custom practices or any tasks which is can be done by color changing and many more wire setting. So moving to our next number. On our fifth number there is Among In With Us 3D. It is one of the clone game of Among Us 3D and it is made by a YouTuber on 24 hours. Here you can create or go to a public meeting and you can join a friend game. This is not that much good, but in 44 hours it is very pretty good, and you can see that the wire in back that is same like Among Us, but that's not the problem, and here it is very good gameplay. So moving to our next one. On our sixth number there is Among Us in Game Boy. This clone is developed on Game Boy and can be played on any Game Boy devices. So if you interested then you can play this on Game Boy. Here the game is not that much developed but you can play a little bit of it on Nintendo Game. It is not that much that language, but you can say that you can play on it. There is not that much levels and you can try to play on it and you can get a good gameplay. So moving to our next one. On our seventh number there is Among Us in Roblox. If you are a great fan of Roblox then you can play this game. It is available on Roblox and you can search Among Us and you can get this game. This is one of the interesting and has Among Us name and you can play on this. There are two imposters and you can play like this. Here is its gameplay and you can do many more stuffs like swap and search and vote and other things like Among Us. You can do it like fixing words and voting system. You can discuss on the chat and you can chat with other players on the ground and you can say anything about them. You can vote and skip voting, everything is here. It is very good gameplay, try it once. So moving to our next one. So on our 8th number there is Among Us in Fortnite. Among Us is the most famous game in the world and you can play many things like here It is like a Among Us, and you can do many things in here. You can search your planet, and by giving your number here everything is disvanished by a place by firing every player who is the imposter. And here it is barely like many games, and you can vote by firing on them. And there is a code which can I give you to them, and there are 7 numbers, and the players can be disvanished by like this. And there you can collect many items from here. You can give the number by entering this number, and you can be changed to a destination to this planet, and you can play on it easily. So moving to our next number. So on our 9th number there is Among Us with RTX on. It is one of the most famous Among Us clone. It is developed by a YouTuber Fat Dino, and it is one of the 8K resolution or RTX on gameplay made by Fat Dino. It is has a cool feature and many more things, like everything is custom, and there is a futuristic theme, and everything is sci-fi technology. And the things you are doing in the Among Us, it is also in a good graphics and RTX on features, and you can see. And if you want to play, but it is not available on the internet because Fat Dino is not released it in the internet. So if you can contact it, you can play it. It is great game, and it has a very cool features and graphics. So moving to our next number. So on our last number there is Among Us in VR. Every person like VR. A YouTuber called Among Us player Twitch Madness has developed a virtual reality Among Us gameplay. If you want to play it, you can ask me and I will send you the and great clone of Among Us. Here you can get a good experience about the virtual and gameplay. It is one of the best game, and you can try it once. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and click on the notification bell for getting my video fast. So if you have any problem, comment down below. Thank you guys.